Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check your previous downloads on the App Store. It's quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to check installed apps in the app library. First, if you want to see all the apps currently on your phone, swipe left until you reach the app library and at the top right you will see recently added. Tap on it to view your most recently downloaded apps. You can also swipe down in the app library to see a full alphabetical list of all installed apps. Now, with that, let's move forward with the step 2, that is to view your full download history. So, if you want to find apps you previously downloaded but removed, you can follow these steps. So, open the App Store, and once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the account section, simply tap on the purchase history. And here you will see a list of all the apps that you have paid for or subscribed to. To find all your downloaded apps, simply tap on apps and then select my apps. And once you see the interface like this, select not this iPhone to see apps you downloaded in the past but removed. And you will also see the exact date where each app was originally installed. And from here, you can reinstall any app with a single tap. And that's how you can check previously downloaded apps on App Store. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. And see you in the next one.